होली है भाई, होली है।
होली है भाई, होली है। ओ भाई, हवा भी बहुत है।
Very windy today.
क्वाइट पिटी। तो सिल्विया जी, हैप्पी होली टू यू।
Happy Holi to you, Vibhushu.
क्या हो रहा है?
हो रहा है।
भाई सबसे पहले तो ये बताओ भाई, कैमरा कैसा लग रहा है, क्वालिटी कैसी लग रही है? तुम्हारे भाई ने मतलब महंगे वाला कैमरा ले लिया है।
Hope it will really improve the
आई मीन
quality of our
टू बी
videos.
ऑनेस्ट, लाइक GoPro भी बहुत अच्छा था, इट वाज वेरी नाइस, काफ़ी साथ दिया। लेकिन कहीं कहीं पे GoPro लो लाइटिंग में मतलब काफ़ी टट्टी हो जाता है।
So this is open space, everyone.
ये बस भाई, ये आई थिंक दिस वुड प्रोबब्ली बी द लास्ट पार्क विजिट बिकॉज द लॉकडाउन इज गोना ओपन फ्रॉम द 12th। तो तुम लोगों को भाई कुछ थोड़ा और भी दिखा सकते हैं। अभी थक गए, दे मस्ट बी टायर्ड एज वेल सीइंग अस
Yes,
only in
we are
parks.
tired of
हम
seeing
भी
so
थक गए
many
भाई।
parks.
वहाँ
And
कैसा
Vibhushu doesn't like to be outside in the park for too long.
बेइज्जती तो नहीं करनी थी ना, नया कैमरा है एंड यू आर डूइंग बेइज्जती ऑन न्यू कैमरा ओनली। क्या
See, today is not about complaining about our lockdown and about us not being able to go anywhere.
Yeah.
Today is about celebration. It's about Holi celebration, festival of color, which is so beautiful. And I was lucky enough to celebrate it with
Last year.
family last year.
याद तो आती है भाई, ऑब्वियसली घर वालों के साथ। आई थिंक व्हेनेवर इट कम्स टू फेस्टिवल्स, इट फील्स so weird when you're not with family. तो सिल्विया जी, कोई आइडिया, एनी आइडिया अबाउट होली?
Holi, beautiful celebration of color. And what I remember from last year is just madness everywhere. Madness
होली
on
मजा
the
आता है भाई
streets.
बहुत।
Everyone is covered with beautiful colors.
FYI guys, Holi I think in London is not celebrated on a holy time
Not
usually.
at all. And doesn't actually look exactly like Holi you celebrate. Is
Yeah.
more music festival.
हाँ, मतलब it's like a
and-
party. No, in India also a lot of places
Yeah.
they have this farmhouses and they have these small events that they organize. Growing up मतलब मेरी होली तो भैया बस रंग लगाओ, पड़ोसियों के पास जाओ, रंग लगाओ, color the shit out of your neighborhood. Everybody, whoever you find, होली है भाई, होली है, बस ये सिस्टम था भाई हमारा तो। I remember during my time भाई, हम लोग तो मतलब होली मतलब भैया we used to even use grease and
Oh.
like anything that comes in the hand, मतलब गंदी वाली होली से बोलते हैं ना भाई, गंदी वाली। भाई तुम्हारा भाई वो खेलता था when we used to come back in the evening after Holi. Our faces used to be jet black and it used to take at least like 2-3 days for the color to come out.
Wow, that's really advanced. Okay, Mr. Grumpy wanted to walk to the corner of the park and look what just happened to him.
अबे यार, आज तो धूप थी, आया था टुडे सनी यार।
Who is wearing slippers all year round? All year round. Oh, he's gone. Now he's gone. Recently, he's getting upset so easily. You can see he is running away because his plan doesn't work and he doesn't like when his plan doesn't work.
I'm not upset.
Don't be upset.
I'm not upset.
It's okay. We'll clean your feet. It's okay.
Okay, baby.
You don't be upset. Okay? It's Holi. We can't be
होली
upset
वाली
on
वाइब
Holi.
तो आ नहीं रही है भाई। होली
can't be
I
upset
can't
on
get
Holi.
होली vibe at all here.
You can. You
क्या है
can.
भाई ये?
Me, you, so many people.
ऊपर रख ले, ऊपर दिखेगा नहीं।
ऊपर.
वाइड एंगल नहीं है ये, GoPro की
ऊपर।
तरह। तो होली, हाँ होली भाई, होली for us, for me, I had no clue about होली भाई। मैं I don't know, कमेंट्स करके तुम लोग भी बताओ भाई, तुम लोगों को कभी होली के बारे में ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन पता थी? हम लोगों को for us, growing up, we just knew that होली मतलब colors and sweets. We never paid attention to है क्या भाई, क्यों होता है, क्यों मनाया जाता है। भाई मैं ऐसा नहीं कहूँगा कि मुझे पता था। as we grow up, we tend to do some research. मैंने कहा वेला बैठा हुआ था भाई, मैंने कहा थोड़ा बहुत देख लूँ क्या है होली के बारे में, what is the origin, ये क्या कैसे सेलिब्रेट हुआ है। एंड इट टर्न्स आउट कि भाई होली के 2 versions हैं basically.
Really?
So, yeah, there are
Two
two
different
versions
versions.
of So
That's
in
interesting.
in our Hinduism and Hindu books, they talk about one king of evil. His name was Hiranyakashyap, and he basically wanted himself to be worshipped only. That's it. ये मतलब अपने आप को ही बोलता था कि मेरे को वर्शिप करो और किसी को नहीं करो. His son Prahlad, I think his name was. याद भी रहती है चीज़ें. His son Prahlad, however, he was a Vishnu god's worshipper. You remember when we went to the temple and there was this Vishnu god. So he was Vishnu's worshipper. So
His own son.
his own son.
Okay.
Yeah, he said, I'm not going to worship you. I will worship Vishnu Bhagwan only. तो क्या हुआ his this king's sister Holika. So I think you know the name Holika. So it's related to that only. So his sister Holika, she basically tricked this son into sitting in fire with him. He said, "आ तू मेरे साथ बैठ जा. You sit with me," trying to kill him basically. But he sat and but he was praying to Vishnu only while he was in that fire. And it turns out that this Holika, she was wearing a shawl that was protecting her from fire. तो विष्णु जी की जब वो पूजा कर रहा था प्रहलाद, he was worshipping Vishnu, तो विष्णु भगवान blew a gust of wind. They say that, and the shawl fell off from Holika and it protected Prahlad.
Covered him.
So Holika died in the fire. So this is why I think there is a bonfire on Choti Holi. Choti Holi, is हम लोग, for me when I was growing up, I thought Choti Holi is just to test big Holi. So you test your colors, हाँ demonstration के लिए. लेकिन छोटी होली का भी काफी significance है. So it's the eve of छोटी होली जब bonfire होता है. ये जो king था ना, he could not be killed by animals nor by humans. So later on Vishnu Bhagwan, he came into another form, and he came into a form of a man who had a face of lion, tiger, lion, yeah, face of a lion. I think so. So he came in the form of that and killed him.
Okay, Bebushu, so what is the second story?
So second story basically भाई ये है कि I think Holi in this Vrindavan and around that area in some parts is celebrated like it's their most important festival. तो story basically उनकी ये है, एक दूसरी story ये है कि Lord Krishna when he was young there was a devil that came and she wanted to kill him. And he was a baby basically, and she came in the form of like, I don't know, some auntie, and she tried to give her breast milk, so she was trying to feed him.
Okay.
And basically it was poison and nothing else, but obviously it was Lord Krishna, so she died. But because of that poison his body became blue. तभी कृष्णा का कलर आप देखते हैं ना, काफ़ी लोग की ब्लू कलर का होता है. इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीज़न. एंड हर दैट डेविल्स नेम वाज पूतना. ये स्टोरी आई थिंक बहुत लोगों ने देखी होगी. इट यूज्ड टू कम ऑन टीवी एंड आई हैव अ स्मॉल रिकलेक्शन, थोड़ा बहुत रिकलेक्ट होता है भाई मेरे को. तो कृष्णा ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू लाइक एंड वाज फॉन्ड ऑफ राधा. देयर वाज दिस गर्ल. तो ही वेंट टू द मदर एंड ही सेड, मदर नाउ आई बिकम ब्लू. I'm not sure if Radha will like me anymore. What should I do? He was very sad. And the mother said, why are you so sad? Just go and, put some colors on her. Paint her red or orange or whatever. And so Krishan ji with his gang, they went and to Radha's place, and then they put the colors on her, and then this whole party happened. So this whole celebration happened.
So everyone was covered with colors.
Yeah, which was called color, which was called Holi basically. At the core of every festival or every thing that's celebrated in India, it's mostly the win of good over bad. So that's the basic principle. It's bringing that light, positivity to everybody's lives, and that's why we celebrate most of the festivals. Every festival has that connection at the end. And be honest to yourselves guys. भाई comment करके बताओ कि किस को ये stories के बारे में पता था.
How many of you
Growing up
knew
I
that?
had no chance, man, no chance of knowing this.
guys, thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you enjoy it. If so, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We are on the road to 100,000 subscribers now, so we are that close. I mean, that close. So yeah, your love means a lot to us. And again, happy Holi, and I hope you will have a beautiful Holi, beautiful, colorful festival with your loved ones, full of food.
चलो ठीक है ओके डन चल ओके हो गया इतना लंबा एंडिंग करती है बे
It's my time to shine. You
कर ले
go.
शाइन और शाइन कर ले शाइन मोर चलो भाई
Happy Holi, Makasam.